Assalamu alaikum. I am Atif Takhar with the first video of DSP. In this lecture, we will cover introduction and applications of DSP. Now start with what is DSP. DSP stands for Digital Signal Processing. Now what is digital? We can define digital as finite values which are used to represent the world objects. If we take an example of a digital, we can say that this is a digital signal. It represents a message. Now here, the one thing which should be remembered is that all digitals are discrete, but all discretes are not digital. Now, if we come to the signal, what is a signal? Signal is a physical quantity that changes with respect to any independent variable. And a signal always comes from a sensor. Now, if we take an example of a signal, we can say that a traffic headlights is an example of signal as it changes with respect to some interval of time. Now, if we come to processing, we can define processing as a transformation via algorithm or a technique from one form to another modified form. To get desired objective. Now we will come to the applications of DSP. What are the applications of DSP? Now consider an example. We have three images. One image is with the person standing, a second with a window, and third with a door. If we want to send three images over a channel, we required some bandwidth and a data. But by using the techniques of DSP, we are requested to save data as soon as possible over bandwidth. So if we want to save bandwidth, we can send a single image by using a masking. In masking, it happens like that the image appears one after another. For example, if there is a man, it will appear after a regular interval of time, then it appears a window and then a door. In this way, we have only sent one picture instead of three pictures. So we have saved bandwidth up to 1/3. So here we have applied the techniques of DSP to save the data. Now come to another example. There are 22 billion population of the world. If we want to find a person, then it will be a very difficult task to find a person from this kind of population. Consider this list of numbers. Now if we want to find the number 63, so then we have to first look at 26, 28, then almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, up to 8 iterations 63. But it will take a long time. If we want to find the number quickly to save time, we can use another method called as binary search. Now consider again this list. We have how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In this binary search, we arrange all of them into an ascending order. So first writing them in ascending order. uh, so these numbers are in now ascending order. Now first of all, find out the center. So 61 is the center. Okay. Now we have to find suppose we have to find number 63. Now we have found the center 61. Now as these are in the ascending number, now we will look at the center 61. Now we have to find number 63. As it is greater than 61, so it will move downward. Now again take the center, which is almost 63 or 64. We take center 64. Now if we want to take number 64, so 63 is smaller than 64, so it will move again upward. Now we take center 63, so we have find 63 in the third iteration. So here again, applying the techniques of DSP, we have made our work simpler. So that's all with the first lecture of DSP. I will be there. Adil Iftikhar again.